Welcome to Home of Math. Our topics: factorization of algebraic expression. We already finished lots of math in this chapter. Here is 1 to 33 math. We already finished 1 to 10 and 25. This video we are trying to solve at least 3 math and we will start from 11. Here is 2a square plus 2 root 6 ab plus 3b square. Look, here is 2, here is 3, here is a square and here is b square. But interesting thing, here is 2 root 6 ab. So in this case we can make one thing. If we want to factorize, we can write these two root 2 and this a square, we can write a and then square. Similar, here is 3, we can write root 3 and here is b then square. And here is 2 root 6 ab. So we can write, or our target to make this a plus b whole square. It means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Our a square and b square done, and here is 2ab. So 2a means root 2a, b means root 3b. Okay, now look, here is 2 root 2 and root 3, it means root 6. A times b means ab. So this one we can write root 2a plus root 3b whole square. This is our answer. Number 12. Here is a minus b plus c whole square plus b minus c plus a whole square plus 2 times a minus b plus c times b minus c plus a. Look, here is some similarity. A minus b plus c whole square, this one if we think x, and b minus c plus a if we think y, so it means x square plus y square, and then its look also x and also y, so plus 2xy. It means x plus y whole square, we can write x square plus 2xy plus y square. So already this one available, so this one we can write x plus y whole square. It means a minus b plus c plus b minus c plus a whole square. Now look, minus b plus b out, plus c minus c out, and here is a and here is plus a, so we can write 2a square. So our answer is 4a square. Very easy. So number 12 done. This 12 done. Now number 13. A square plus b square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. This one we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now look, this one we can write a plus b whole square plus here is 2bc 2ca. So here common thing is 2c. So we can write b plus a. B plus a and a plus b are similar things. So we can write a plus b once we common. So here is a plus b plus 2c. This is our answer. Okay, so this video we are trying to solve very easy factorization, but for practice we have to do this. Without practice we cannot run long term. So no more today. This video is very important for GCSE, grade 10, GEE, lots of international examination. Thank you. One more thing, don't forget subscribe the channel.